Hello, civil engineers. Welcome back to the lecture. So now we'll try to get into the first floor part. Okay. So once you see right now you were in the ground floor, right? Once you want to come to the first floor, you're going to take a staircase from here. Then you'll come here. Then you're going to come here. So this part you're going to reach here. Okay. So once you come, you're going to reach in this part. So here they are given a kind of a lounge so that you can sit here and you can relax. You can have your sofa sets here and you can relax here. And then whatever kitchen you had in the ground floor, they converted that kitchen into a bedroom. Okay. So again, you can see a bedroom here, which is 3.45 by 3.12 meter. And then you have a door here and another bedroom they have. Whatever bedroom you had in the ground floor, the same has been converted into another bedroom in the first floor. Now the bathroom, always remember the bathroom and all we never change. Whatever is there in the ground floor, usually we try to take it to the first floor only. Okay. So you had a general bathroom here, you had an attached bathroom. The same thing you can see it here, general bathroom and your attached bathroom. And then this entire thing, like you had a scooter or a parking here, right? So there was nothing there. Like in the first floor we utilized that area and we have converted that into a balcony. Like you come from here, this is a lounge area what you have. Yeah, they have put a door here and you can come to the balcony. So this much portion whatever you had here, which was being utilized for the parking, that has been converted into a balcony in the first floor. And then this veranda and the bedroom portion has been turned down or has been converted into a guest room. So it's a very big room what you have for the guest. Okay, so it's a very good planning what they have done. If you are a family of two or three, I mean, if you are two, how do I say that? Yeah, if there are two different families staying or three different families staying, then this is a good plan what you can have. You have enough bedroom in the ground for one and two bedroom, and in the top you have another two bedroom, which is four bedroom, and then a big bedroom for a guest. So it's a very good planning what they have done, and you have good number of toilets also. You have one general toilet where this bedroom and this bedroom people can utilize that, and then there is one more bathroom here which is a attached one. Okay, so very good planning they have done. Now we'll come to the elevation part. Elevation in the sense how your building is going to look from the front side, from the right side and all. So this is a front elevation what we have. Okay, so this is your ground floor and this is your first floor, and this is your parapet wall. Parapet in the sense whenever you do the construction on the top floor, you don't leave it. You just put a small wall of let us say 1 meter, so that it will act like a um, barrier so that no one gets down from there. Okay, no one falls down. So this is a parapet wall what you can see. It's a cantilever. What this is called, this is a chajja. Okay, this is your window here. You have another window here. This is your balcony portion. Now you see here, this is a front elevation. Okay, so in the front elevation, if you observe the balcony, whatever you see it here from the front, it looks like this. You have a door here, and what is this door here? This is that door. D, can you see the D here? This is that door, and this is a balcony portion what you have, and this is your window which is here. So this particular window is this window. Okay, this particular window, because it's a best guest bedroom, right? And this is a window what we have, and this is your front elevation. Okay, this is your front elevation. This window whatever you can see, it's this window, this particular window, and this particular portion is your this particular portion. Got it? So it's a front elevation. Now we'll see the right side elevation. So how will my right side elevation look? So if this is my, what is my right side? So this is my right side. Agree with me? This is my right side. So in this way, your right side elevation will look. Okay. Yeah. So again, this is how your right. Again, it's the parapet wall here. This is your first floor. This is your ground floor. Again, you have one, two, three, four windows here, and you have a door from here. It's a main door. What you get? Okay. Yeah. Next, coming to the section part. Again, we have this rear side elevation from the back side. How your building is going to look, and this is your left side elevation. Okay. Great. So in this way, you are supposed to do the elevations also, so that the client will get an idea how his building is going to look. Now coming to the section part. So in the section, you're going to get like how much is the depth of excavation you're supposed to do, what is your floor to floor height and all. Okay, so we'll start with this now. So this is a CC bed. CC bed stands for cement concrete bed. I'll repeat it again. CC stands for cement concrete bed. Usually we call it as a PCC, which is called as plain cement concrete. And after that, we are going to do the masonry work. Okay, stone masonry work. Like soon after that, we are going to construct with the help of a laterite stone in the local construction. What we do is we make use of stones and we construct that up to the ground level. Okay, And then after that, we are going to put the plinth beam. So this is RCC for the plinth. So you have a RCC here. You're going to put the RCC for the plinth beam, and then we are going to come with the ground floor. So this is my ground floor. What is my floor to floor height? What is the distance between my ground floor to the roof of my first floor? It will be usually 3 meter, but here you can see it here. So it is given from here to the here to here. It is 3 meter, and this will be your slab thickness. This is your first floor slab. Usually it will be 150 mm, or let us say it is 6 inches. Okay. So now floor to floor height is my 3 meter. Okay. Then you can see it here. You have a RCC lintel here, and then you are going to get a RCC roof here. Okay. And then again, this is my first floor. Again, the floor to floor height is 3 meter. So again, they have put it here. Again, this is the RCC roof. And over that, what will happen? The parapet wall is going to come. So this is my parapet wall, which they have mentioned it here. You got an idea? The total height of your building from the ground level to the top of your roof is 6.90 meter. That is 3 meter plus 3 meter. And then this much height, whatever you have, no, you're supposed to add it, which comes out to be around 0.9 meter, which is 900 mm. That is what they have added it here. Okay. So you got an idea how your entire structure is going to look. And then this is a section. Yeah, this is another section what they have cut, where they're showing you the staircase part. So your staircase will start from here. Then this is your landing areas. Okay, these are your steps, and then this is your flight. This is your flight number 1, and here you're going to take your flight number 2. This is your landing area, and this is your flight number 3, because your staircase is in this shape. You're going to come here. This is a landing area. Then again, you're going to come to the top. Okay. Then this is landing area, and then you're going to reach to the first floor. Got it? So I think most of the things I've covered it here. And this is your details of the rainwater harvesting structures. Okay. So this is typical people try to do, because now government is making it more mandatory to conserve the water. We don't want the rainwater to just flow away. So what we do, we try to make a lot of rainwater harvesting pit, so that the water gets collected and the groundwater is going to increase, and the water table is going to increase, so that we don't have a scarcity of water. So that is why this is a typical I mean section of a percolation pit what they are given. So in this way you are supposed to do nothing. You just have to do the excavation. The total excavation depth will be given here. It is 3.83, roughly 10 feet of excavation you are supposed to do. And then this is a borewell what we are going to dug. Okay, this is a borewell what we are going to dug here. And then all these things are a 40 stone aggregate you are going to put. Then it's a 20 stone aggregate. Then you are going to put a coarse sand, then the fine sand, and this. So why it is in this way? Because it has to, your water has to percolate through that. Okay, your water has to percolate in this way. That is why we are going to put a fine sand, then the coarser sand, then the 20 stone aggregate, then the 40 stone aggregate, so that if any dust and all is there, it remains here only, it will not go to the bottom. Okay. So this is how a typical rainwater harvesting structure looks. Okay. So you have a 40 aggregate here, 20 here, you have a coarse sand, you have a fine sand, and this is an empty space of around 0.10 meter depth. Okay. So this was all about the, yeah. So this was all about the plan we had taken for this building. Similarly, yeah, I'll be showing you this in the color one. Okay. Yeah. So this is a different building what we have. So here the plan is again different. No issues. We'll take up this in the next lecture. So we are done with this particular building, and I hope you have understood like how the plan has to be understood. What is the section? What is the elevations, and how the other front elevation, the side elevation looks. So in the next lecture, I'll be either taking up this particular drawing, so that we'll get an idea how this particular thing is worked out. Else we'll be taking up another 2, 3 drawings, so that we get an idea. We'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.